欢迎光临
to Family Mart in Taipei, Taiwan. Before we discover this amazing store, please subscribe to the channel. And please like this video. Family Mart is a Japanese convenience store that is also expanding throughout all Asia. It is a very decent-sized store with its 4 aisles. Let's now go visit the aisle number 1 of this amazing store. To start, there are some microwave. Aim is to heat up the food that they just bought in this store. Therefore, there is a big selection of ready-to-cook and to eat food. Something very interesting and important to know about convenience in Taiwan, it is very popular and a lot of shopping is done there. Stationery and different kind of magazines and the essentials and home products, like phone charges. People are very busy in Taiwan and that's why they want a one-stop shop, so they go to convenience store like Family Mart or 7-Eleven. We will now explore the different fridge, big selection of local and Chinese products, a lot of ads also on the doors. Sorry for the flickering light. The electric system they are using is not very constant from store to store and so flickering is kind of unavoidable. I'm sorry for that. This fridge is all about teas, regular and flavored one, in their gorgeous and eco-friendly carton box. Let's move on to the juice. Big selection, mostly again local product. Some milk and then the ready-to-eat food. With ready-to-eat dishes, sushis, sandwiches and bananas. So really convenience in Taiwan is a one-stop place where you buy and also can enjoy your food. Now there is a great end cap with a lot of bakery products, such as bread, cake filled with cream, and other delicious pastries. They love the sweet products in the region. Chewing gums, it's very important. The mouth hygiene is paramount here and bad breath is not very acceptable. Big selection of international and local products to help you to have a stunning fresh breath. Then sweets, big part for Ferrero with Kinder and Rocher. Let's continue our visit. Nice end cap, full local products like nuts. We are entering now a new aisle that is quite a special setup. We can find on both sides chips and snacks. On the right side, more the combo packs and specialty products, while on the left side there is a huge variety of chips. They love them here, as well as a nice selection of cookies, with a strong presence of Pocky in it, with many flavors. Back to the chips with famous brands such as Doritos, Pringles, and quite interesting, Lay's is the only to have a pack that is bilingual. Tables where you enjoy the food you just bought. Final aisle to visit. This is the health and beauty one, with major products. As well as the quick food with the instant noodles, ramen, instant coffees, hot chocolates, and more. That's it for the aisles visits. Before leaving, let's check the checkout counter where they are selling hot food. You see very, very local different dishes. That's it for this tour. Thank you for watching. Please comment it. Have a great day.